The expansion calculator is a tool that helps orthodontists accurately coordinate the maxillary and mandibular arches based on a patient's unique anatomy. How it works. This calculator quickly determines the exact number of turns of the expander that are required. It's based on the principle that the width of the mandible is unchangeable. Therefore, the amount of maxillary expansion should be calculated based on the position of the decompensated or uprighted mandibular buccal segments. Let's look at a case study. We'll open up Ortho Calculator and click on the expansion calculator. This patient has a narrow maxilla and a right posterior crossbite. The lower buccal segments are tipped lingually and he has a deep curve of Wilson. We can estimate where the center of the mandibular trough would be, right here. This measurement is 46 millimeters. Moving on to our dental measurements, the distance between the maxillary palatal cusps is 40 millimeters, and it's 44 millimeters between the mandibular central grooves. Moving on, we select our desired amount of overexpansion to account for relapse. Therefore, we need 7.20 millimeters of expansion. Finally, we can enter the preferred number of turns per day. And now we've calculated that it'll take 36 days of turning once per day to coordinate the arches. By using the expansion calculator, you can get away from cookie-cutter expansion protocols and instead mathematically determine the ideal amounts of expansion needed to coordinate the arches and quickly calculate the exact number of turns required to achieve this expansion. The expansion calculator is part of a powerful suite of tools in the Ortho Calculator mobile app, designed to make orthodontic treatment planning faster, smarter, and more precise. Download the Ortho Calculator app today and take the guesswork out of treatment planning.